application period. Go na tayo.
Teka, di ko pa kasi alam kung anong gusto ko eh. All around kasi ako.
Over naman sa all around. Gusto mo all around. Sige, pikit ka.
Welcome to the place where you can be anything you imagine. A place where equipping skills is the top priority. This is the college program where everything is art.
Bachelor of Arts in Communication.
Experience the art of writing. The art of being the voice of the nation through broadcasting.
For all-around news, this is Rafaela Delgado.
The art of capturing the frame through filmmaking.
Lights, camera, action. Cut.
The art of communicating. In this program, your dreams will not just be a dream. It is a gateway to the world of storytelling where voices can be heard and ambitions are fulfilled. Don't just imagine your future, make it happen. From the College of Arts and Sciences, choose the program where you can experience your all-around imagination. Bachelor of Arts in Communication. Enroll now!
Na-imagine mo bang sumakses ka?
Yes, galing.